Hey guys, welcome back to KUNCH Creation. It's me Lisa, and today we are going to make black forest. So let's see. Strain half cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and now sieve them properly. Mix it. Into another bowl, add half cup of condensed milk, 1/4 cup melted butter, 3 tablespoons melted chocolate. Mix it and add the dry ingredients. Add it little by little. Now add half cup of milk plus 1 tablespoon. Mix it properly. And also half teaspoon vanilla essence. Keep a thing that looks like this on the stove and preheat it about 10 minutes. Place the butter paper and spread some butter or oil on the baking pan. Transform the mixture and keep it for baking for about 35 to 40 minutes. The cake is ready. Now let's make the cherry syrup. Half cup of water, 1/4 cup cherry, and little boil. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 cup whipped cream, and beat it. If you want sugar, you can add. The cream is ready. Take the butter cake paper. It's very spongy. Cut the cake into 2 equal parts. Onto the first part, add the cherry syrup and spread the cream. Add some cherries. Keep the second part. Some cherry syrup and whipped cream. Cover the whole cake with cream. Now decorate the cake using the piping bag. Decorate on your own way. Grate some chocolate and decorate the cake. Put some cherries at the top. And the black forest is ready. It's yummy. You should definitely try it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.